friends, my name is Kajal Suryavanshi. Today's topic is method and constructor and difference between method and constructor. Uh, First one, what is method? Method is a block of code which only runs when it is called. And second is the constructor. Constructor is a block of code and similar to the constructor. All the variables and methods must be present in the classes. Java class contains both the constructor and method. It understanding the difference between constructor and method. Let's recall the methods. Then first one is a constructor. Constructor and method both are different from each other. The constructor is used for initializing the object state. Constructor can also contains data members and member function in same way in a method contains. The data members and member function of the constructor and executed at the time of creating object of the class. The new keyword plays as important role in creating a instance of class. Let's take a let's take in a constructor. Constructor understand how we can create create a object of the class and call it constructor of the class. Next is a method. Method is a block of code. Method is a block of code. Block of code. It's called a. It is used to performing a particular task. It reduces the length and the repetitive code. It may not return a value to the caller. By creating a method, we can reuse the code without retyping the code. Let's take an example of a method to understand. We can create a method and use it our class. So difference is a method and constructor is a first one is a constructor is a block of code that initialize at the time of creating a new object of the class is called a constructor, and method is a set of statement that perform specific task with and without returning value to the caller is known as a method. Second is a constructor. It is a mainly use initialize the object, and method is a mainly use the reuse the code without writing the code again. Next is a constructor is a implicitly invoked by the system, and method is called by the programmers. Next is a new keyword plays the important role in invoking the constructor, and method call is are responsible for the invoking methods. Next, constructor name will always be the same as the class name, main class name, and method is we use any name for the method name such as add row and sub numbers etc. It main class name. Class have constructor class have more than one parameter as constructor, but constructor should have different parameters, and the method is a class can also have more than one method with the same name but different argument and data types. Thank you.